Hello students. Today's presentation is for class 6th subject science first chapter food. Where does it come from? What is food? Nutritious substances that people or animals eat or drink or the plants absorb is called food. Food is essential for all living beings. Why is food essential for our body? What are the uses of food in our body? All the functions we perform, all the activities we do requires energy. And this energy comes from the food we eat. Our body needs food for the growth. The body functions are performed with the help of energy provided by the food we eat. It helps in healing our wounds, plus it provides us a good health, conditioned that we eat healthy food, not junk food. Food variety. Different people living in our country in different states eat different types of food. Like South Indian people eat dosa, idli, etc. And we in North Indian would like to have chole bhature, palak paneer, shahi paneer, biryani, etc. All the items needed to prepare a particular dish are called its ingredients. For example, if I want to prepare boiled rice, I will be needing raw rice and water. So this raw rice and water are the ingredients of boiled rice that we require to prepare boiled rice. Next topic is sources of food. Mainly there are two sources of food, plants and animals. Eatables like rice, pulses, wheat, vegetables, fruits, etc. we get from plants. And eatables like milk, milk products like cheese, curd, cream, etc. meat, honey, etc. we get from animals. So plants and animals are both the sources of our food. Next topic is plant parts as food. All those parts of the plant which we eat as food are called its edible parts. Edible means those things that we can eat. We eat roots of some plant like carrot, turnip, radish, beetroot, etc. We eat stems of certain plants like potato, coriander, sugarcane, etc. We eat leaves of certain plants like spinach, cabbage, onion, etc. We eat flowers of some plants like rose, cauliflower, etc. Now you must be wondering, we don't eat rose? Yes, we do eat rose as an ingredient in certain delicacies like gulkan. Next, we eat fruits of certain plants. Pulpy fruits like grapes, banana, apple, nut and dry fruits like almond, currant. Fruits used as vegetables like brinjal, tomato, gourd, beans, etc. We eat seeds of certain plants like rice, maize, wheat, gram, pea, etc. Seeds such as mustard, sesame, coconut yield oil. There are some plants which have two or more edible parts. For example, seeds of mustard plants give us oil and the leaves of mustard plant are used as a vegetable. You can think more of the examples where two or more parts of a single plant are used as food. So, various parts of the plants are used as food, and these parts of the plants are known as its edible parts. This is the diagram showing different edible parts of plants like flower, fruit, stem, leaf, node, internode, bud. This part of the plant which we can see above the ground is known as shoot system, and the part of the plant which grows under the ground like primary root and secondary root collectively known as root system. Now, what do animals eat? On the basis of their food, there are mainly three types of animals: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Animals which eat only plants or plant products are called herbivores. For example, goat, cow, buffalo, etc. Animals which eat other animals are called carnivores. For example, panther, lion, tiger, etc. Animals which eat both plants and other animals are called omnivores. For example, bear. There are one more category of animals, that is scavengers. Scavengers are those who live on dead and decaying matter. Example of scavengers are hyena, vultures, etc. Okay students, I have explained you the chapter. These are some extra question and answers. What is nectar? The sweet juice that bees collect from flowers to convert it into honey is called nectar. Where do bees store honey? Bees store honey in their hive. Next is explain sprouted seeds. When we keep the seeds in a container filled with water for a day and drain the water completely on next day, leaving the seeds as it is for another day, we observe small white structure growing out of the seeds. Such seeds are called sprouted seeds. Students, go through these questions. Try to understand these questions. These are the questions which are not given in your textbook, but it is important to know the answers of these questions, and that's why I have included them in this presentation for you. Thank you very much. Hope you have understood whatever I have taught you. Please go through it and revise it.